Have you ever been go to Jatim Park before?
Yes.
When?
Sering, Miss.
With your family or friends?
Family.
Okay. Now imagine you go there again. What is the first thing you will try when you go there again?
Roller coaster.
Roller coaster? On your roller coaster?
Yes.
What else?
Rumah hantu.
Rumah hantu. Do you think rumah hantu is scary or?
Yes.
Scary. And what else?
Udah sering banget. Itu yang putar-putar yang
Komedi putar.
Iya.
Oh, yang apa ya? Pendulum.
Atau yang itu miring.
Okay, now we will listen the dialogue about two students trip to Jatim Park. But before we go on, okay, by the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify specific information from a spoken text and answer comprehension question about the short dialogue and recognize the structure of simple written text. So everyone, today you will listen the audio about two students talking about a trip to Jatim Park. While listening, you must focus on three things such as what happened, where it happened, and how the speakers felt. But before we go on, I will recall about what we have learned in our previous meeting. Do you still remember what is recount text? Tells a story that happened in the past. Great. Okay. And what about the purpose of written text? What is the purpose of written text? Apa ya? You know? Apa ya? Aku lupa, Miss. And how about the general structure of written text? Orientation, and then event, reorientation. Are you sure? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, let's take a look at this guy. Okay, that's right. Recount text. Oh, could you please read together?
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Recount text retells an experience or an event that happened in the past. The purpose of recount text is to inform and share experiences. Generic structure, orientation, who, where, when. Events, what happened in order. Reorientation, how they felt.
Okay, good job. It's right that recount text little an experience or event that happened in the past, and the purpose is to inform and share our experience. And about the general structure, there are orientation to consist who, where, when the event happened, and then the events sesuatu yang terjadi secara berurutan. Lalu the reorientation berkaitan dengan how they felt, how the speakers felt. Okay. Based on this structure, I have audio. Okay. Before we listen the audio, please listen the audio carefully. Don't write anything. Okay, before saya menyuruh kalian untuk menulis sesuatu. Just
experiments and saw a volcano simulation.
Wow, I want to see that someday. Did you try any rides?
Yes, I rode the Flying Tornado and the Himalaya coaster. They were thrilling but also a bit scary.
You're brave, hey. What about food?
We had lunch at the food court. I ate meatball and drank iced tea. So yummy.
That sounds like so much fun. I really want to go there too.
finish?
Finish.
Okay. So, okay, I'm sorry, but we will not discuss it today. We will discuss it in the next meeting. So, say okay?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Before we close our meeting today, what we have learned today, everyone?
Regarding
Yes. And then what else? Listen.
listening the audio
About
Dayu
That's right. And what did Dayu do in Jatim Park?
She ate people.
Then
She went to Eurasian Heritage Museum.
yeah, that's right. And how she felt?
Happy. She was
Very happy. And Faiza, what do you think? What was the favorite part of the story?
When Dayu go to science center because she did talking English.
Okay, great. Thank you. Okay. For your homework. Okay, I want to write 3 sentences about the trip, your own trip, and use past tense verb like we learned today. Okay? Oh yay. And okay, that's all for our lesson today. I hope you get what we learned today. You are doing a great job, so give applause for us. Thank you so much for your attention. We will continue in the next meeting. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you very much, Alia. Also, Bella, could you please give comments on Tania's performance?
Okay, thank you, Fanina. Your teaching was very good. I think I enjoy observing you. The opening is okay, all done. Ada question untuk opening. Terus sangat smooth. Body language okay, bergerak ke sana kemari. Terus learning objektif juga sudah di stated. Ada questioningnya banyak. Terus not only explaining, but you ask students to read together. And cuman kalau boleh kasih saran, when you play the audio, terus when the audio is playing, you start bagi worksheet itu kayak sedikit memecahkan sensasi, mungkin bisa sebelumnya atau setelahnya, tapi selainnya itu bagus. When you membahas the answers, you do not just give them, okay, jawabannya ini, 1, ini, 2, ini, tapi you ask, okay, jawaban nomor 1 apa? Terus masih dipastikan, are you sure? Gitu, itu bagus. Jadi, like in a real class, and instruksinya juga ada. Then the closing is also good, tanya-tanya di akhir, summarize, and all students can answer your questions and you give homework. But about reinforcement mungkin lebih personal lagi, kayak tadi cuma great, thank you, bisa thank you Faiza, bisa disebut namanya itu biar lebih berkesan. But overall sangat bagus. I like your presentation. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Very detailed feedback, and I hope that it will be useful for you.